Introducing the 2022 SEAT Ibiza 1.0 TSI 110B horsepower excellence in a stunning blue exterior color. With a 1-liter engine and only 423 kilometers on the clock, this car is practically brand new, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. This car ensures a smooth and secure ride every time. The SEAT Ibiza also boasts stylish touches like privacy glass and LED lights, making it a head-turner on the road. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, this car is a smart choice. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.